what happens? So, oh my god, it popped up. So, oh my god, it popped up. Holy shit. So, oh my god, it popped up. Holy shit. So, oh my god, it popped up. Holy shit. So, oh my god, it popped up. Holy shit. So, oh my god, it popped up. Seems to be echoing. So it seems to be echoing. Now, is that just because I had sound on, or is it actually echoing? Because it fucking jumped back and forth a little bit. We're gonna hit the watch now. Okay. Alright. So that's there. Just watching that. We're gonna go YouTube as well. How do I fucking do this? I got two mice and I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So here's YouTube variables. Here's the thing: is I thought I gave everything to my YouTube. Uh-oh. If I window off of this, does it go away? Like, does that break? It doesn't look like it does. Or sorry, it does look like it does. It looked like when I windowed off of Restream, it looked like it died. But I'm gonna wait till I look back at the camera here to confirm. Seems to be good. It seems to be good. Seems to be fine. Okay, but I don't know. How do I tell if I'm live on YouTube? It like YouTube is actual fucking butts. Okay. Seems to be good. Oh my god, it's live. Oh my god, it's fucking live. What the fuck? Okay. That's good. That is good. This is what we want to see. We want to see it's live. But how do I actually, like, where's my dashboard? Analytics, edit video. Turn your videos into live streams with fucking dibble-donks. Okay. I don't know how to actually observe chats. Dude, I keep grabbing the wrong mouse! I'm grabbing the wrong mouse! Okay. So, again here, testing stream. How do I do this? I know there's a way to do this. There's like layout editor, studio mode. Nope, that's not what I wanted. That is not what I wanted at all. Is this what I want? Scene alerts, widgets, nope. Mini feed, nope. Where's the chat? I thought there was like I thought Streamlabs had like a chat thing where you could see the chat in. Oh, I just had to widen it. I just had to widen it a bit. Oh Jesus. Yeah, the PC's struggling. Oh, she's struggling, Jerry. Okay, so I'm gonna type in here just some gibberish. Join Twitch today. Okay, great. I guess I'm not logged in. I guess I'm not logged in on my Streamlabs. That's odd. Okay, but I can send a message testing to myself. It will pop up. Pops up as hooligan. Here we go. It's popping up. Holy. Okay. So I can't respond to chat in Streamlabs for whatever reason. Is there a way I can like log into it? Gotta be a way I can log into it, right? Chat filters off. That seems like a bad idea. That seems like bad for business. That seems like it's bad for business. Okay. Shrink this whole ordeal. Okay. Dark mode, chat appearance, chat filters. Sure. Enable filtering in chat. We'll do that. Chat appearance. Okay, I don't care. Watch chat. My preferences. Better Twitch TV settings. So I'm surprised that I'm not logged in on here. So I want to see what happens when I message in the YouTube chat. Like if I do this, pops up as Hooligan VODs, but obviously only in the YouTube chat. Obviously that doesn't pop up in my it doesn't pop up in my I don't even know what I'm thinking of. What am I thinking of, chat? Live December 27th. Is it December 27th right now? So that's not the title I chose. The title I chose... Yeah, that wasn't the title I chose when I went live. So that's really weird. Title live December 27th. I'm going to change that to testing stream. Dual PC and Restream. Update. Okay, successfully updated. So then what? Does this actually pop? Will it actually show that it's... See, Twitch went immediately, but YouTube did not. YouTube did not. YouTube hates me. For some reason, it's just called live December 27th still. Okay, so YouTube chat is on its own little island. So the Streamlabs is connected to my Twitch. So the Twitch chat actually pops up there. I'm going to type in here, test. Again, it wants me, we're going to log in. Crap, I don't even know what my friggin' Twitch login would be. I don't even know what my Twitch login is. It's so ingrained in my blood that I don't even know what it is. Okay, so we're just going to open this. Figure this out. Twitch. Dashboard Twitch. Okay, copy. That might have been all lowercase. RIP. Is it all lowercase? I already forget. It is all lowercase. Oh, now we need an SMS code. Now we need a friggin' SMS code, dude. How many of these am I gonna have to do today? Dude, I've been signing up for accounts on these different services. Been doing all this crap. Okay. So now we're logged in. And if I say test, comes up as Hooligan, comes up there on the dashboard. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So there's no need to be on the Twitch dashboard. We know that that works perfectly. We don't need to be on the Twitch dashboard at all. So that can just go. We know that worked perfectly. That pops up in Streamlabs. We are freaking goated. We're goated with the sauce. We are goated by the many. Oh, shit. Okay. How small can I make this without losing chat? Not very. That is funny. Okay. Oh, okay, so I can turn it into, like, slow... Oh, because now I'm logged in, I can use all my mod settings now. I can do all my mod stuff now. Pog you. Pog you. Okay. So, that doesn't work. We're going to reset the YouTube stream page again. It still didn't update the title. Okay, so YouTube's just in a... It's just in a dungeon. It's just going to auto-generate whatever that's called. And that's it. I guess... Ooh, I see. Channels. I can say update titles. Oh! Okay, wait. We're going to do it here. We're going to do it here. We're going to say Restream title update. Update all. Now, does that work? It did work on YouTube. I'm going to assume it worked on Twitch. I'm going to assume. Just because it did. And it even knows in Streamlabs. Wow. Okay. That worked. So update channels works. Now, your bitrate settings is out of recommendations for Twitch. This value should be less than 3,500 kilobytes per second. Let's go to our settings then and adjust that. Let's go stream. You cannot change these settings while you're live. I guess that makes sense. We're going to go 3,500. Done. I don't know what that changes. Please set a bitrate less than this. I did. I definitely did. Your bitrate settings. But I definitely did. Did it not save them? Output, streaming. Oh, it didn't save it. How do I get that to apply? Done. It's still really mad at me on Restream. Okay. So for whatever reason, it's very mad at me. We're gonna go to chat. Oh, the Restream chat. The Restream chat is updated. Embedded chat, display comments from all platforms on your screen. Embed chat for Twitch only. Embed chat for events. Okay. Display comments from all platforms on your screen. How would I do that? Note, embed URL contains sensitive information and should not be shared with other users or sites. Launch. Did I just launch that? Your chat is ready to display messages. Okay. So we're going to say test. This pops up as Restream. Now, it didn't pop up in the YouTube chat. I thought it was going to send out to both. Didn't seem to do that. It did do it on Twitch. That's really weird. So now I'm going to say Twitch. I'm going to say Twitch. It pops up and it shows Twitch. We're going to go YouTube. YT. That doesn't seem to pop up. Oh, it did. Okay, it's just delayed. It's just delayed. Okay. Yeah, stream. Full links. Nope, we don't want any of that. We don't want any of that. Okay. Pretty cool. This is the most interesting thing. This is absolutely the most interesting thing. We're going to put this in just bookmarks toolbar. Go editor when saving. Sure. Yeah, Restream, there we go. Okay. That is unbelievable. We can delete this because we don't use that. Don't need this. What else don't I need? I mean, whatever. We'll just leave that. I'm really annoyed that the kilobytes per second is not... It's not being honored. You know? That's really weird. That's really weird. We go other thing I want to do is we're gonna play my music. Drop that to 10%. We'll drop it even more. Because it's distracting to even me. Is that too distracting? If I have it down that low, I wonder if... this is really low. This is now... volume meter in browser is at 3. And I have it like turned all the way down in YouTube Music. So I doubt it can hear. I'm highly doubting it can hear. That being said, like much more, and it would distract me. So I don't really know what my other options would be there. And we're just kind of listening to tunes. We're chilling. We're live for 17 minutes. I really wish it would give me more analytics. Am I just too small of a window for this? Click to add CPU into your footer. Yeah, I want that. I want kilobytes a second into the footer. I'm gonna shrink that. That's really interesting, actually. I do want drop frames in the footer. That's good. Okay. Is there a way I can make preview smaller? It really doesn't seem to want to be smaller. Safe mode, pop-out event filtering. I don't really know how any of that stuff works. So it seems some of the load is being, the reason the CPU is not being overloaded right now, part of it is the Elgato. So clearly the bulk of the video comes from the Elgato when we do the other scene. Right now we're only using the webcam and an image, actually. So if I actually juice over to the Elgato, which we will press this to do, if I switch here, does this actually use more CPU? It does seem to, actually. It's marginal. It's very marginal. But it does do it. That is interesting. That is interesting and unexpected. I would have thought, well, I tested it because it was semi-expected after I thought about it, I guess. But my instinct would have been that the Elgato taking so much of the brunt of the actual video encoding would, it actually leveled out. So it spiked when I switched scenes, but it actually leveled out back to 10%. If I switch scenes again, it spikes. Ah. Okay, so it's just on scene switch, because then it levels back out to 10 to 11%. No dropped frames. Kilobytes per second is still too high for Twitch. I don't know why it's doing that, especially when my settings say it should be doing otherwise. Let's go to the React scene. That seems to be working. That seems to be working. Okay, we have Elgato. We have webcam. We have what I said there was I am muted and you shouldn't hear music. Hopefully it turned everything off. Here's the BRB message. Hoops cannot be estimated. Wonderful. That's great. Looking at the stats, I'm honestly just looking at the stats. Just making sure that this is something that's possible. Now, of course, we're not gaming yet, but that shouldn't matter. Because ultimately the Elgato is just taking the duplication of my monitor. It's just taking my whatever's on my screen and just or from the duplicated output. My output's being duplicated, it's taking the duplicated output, throwing it onto the streaming PC. The streaming PC is doing, well, the Elgato's doing all the encoding, and the streaming PC is pretty much just a package. It's just packaging. So between audio and all that, it honestly kind of sorts itself out. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So this took a lot longer to. I had done so much of the work already. I'm surprised how long it took to set this up, despite all the work I already put in a few weeks ago. God, this shit's not easy. Okay, so now we have. That's honestly pretty much working. We could refresh that, but I don't really see a need to. Is there a way I can make this... Oh. This is... So I'm going to click this. I'm going to click that away. We're going to say view on YouTube. It's going to load the YouTube stream, which it did. Loads the chat, which it did. So I can switch to view on Twitch. Oh! So we could just do this right from here. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, that's fantastic. So I can just use Restream to pop into whichever one I want. YouTube or Twitch. That's sick. Okay, view analytics. Don't need to. Really annoyed about the bitrate. I really don't know why it's doing that. Kind of annoying. So note to self, I have to, if I want to do title updates, I do that through Restream. So instead of being on the chat tab, I switched channels. You go update titles. It doesn't seem to. Let's see, podcast talk show. Honestly, it doesn't matter. I'm surprised it doesn't have category in there. Do I have to manually do category myself? Because that is kind of interesting if that's the case. Really annoying. Okay. Fuck. Okay. That does just seem to be working. Okay. And I guess I technically don't need the stream chat in Streamlabs if Restream is just going to show me it anyway. I guess that becomes a problem when... So if I don't have a chat overlay... I'll have to... There's a few kinks I'll have to work out. Because if I go to my React, and we're gonna watch something and react to it, I wouldn't have chat. I lied. I could just play the video. I lied. I could just play the video. We're just gonna mute that. I would just play the video, but then watch from Restream. I would just watch from Restream, and then I have the chat. Now, is that a delay, though? Does that have a delay? Okay, we're gonna react. Okay, so we have the Game Awards. Okay, hang on. I'm an idiot.
That we need to start it early. Tonight,
Just go main show.
Tragedy must be averted.
Okay, because like if I watch on Restream...
And for that, I need your help.
This is not okay. Oh, I can't do it because it's not gonna actually show the video. It'll pause the fucking video. Okay. So that's something I'm gonna have to figure out.
Little pillager, bent on sacking the lands of gold.
That's something I'll have to figure out.
I will swat away.
Because being windowed out was pausing the video. Of course, I manually paused it. I don't know how I would have chat. I don't know how I would have chat for that. Oh, Restream's frozen? Okay. I don't know how... It really seems to like to freeze. It says we don't have any dropped frames. So I wonder what it actually like looks like. I don't really know. I'm just doing a little dance at this point. Okay, we're gonna stop the music. Because it really doesn't look... The frame rate doesn't look right. Now it's possible that that's just what it looks like in Restream like preview. But I'm worried that that's what it looks like in general. Because if that's what it looks like in general and it's like freezing all the time, like why does it look like that? When I look in Streamlabs, it doesn't look like that. Streamlabs is very clear, but when I go to Restream, it is not clear. Like I'm trying to, it's freezing all the time, it's hiccuping, it is not having a good time. Now it is just the preview. So I can actually pause preview. If I pause preview and we go to my Twitch chat, Twitch. It does pop up. Okay, so I don't have to actually run the preview on Restream. Okay. I don't have to do that. I was trying to figure out how I could pause that. Okay. So, let's... I think we close it, and then we go back and we see what that looked like. I think that's a solid test. Of course, we didn't do any gaming. But I mean, again, it's a litmus test. We need to see how it handles just fucking streaming in general. Now, of course, it is annoying. It is annoying that I can't... Yeah, that's tough. I don't know how... I don't know how I'm gonna see the chat while I stream. At least with how I have it set up, I think I would have to reset it up some other way.